Believe it or not, there's a ton of people out here that are advocating for the idea that Intuit right now is undervalued. But I would pump the brakes. I mean, right now they're $440 a share. Year to date, we're talking about negative 33%. But if you zoom out like 5-6 months ago, easily $800 a share. So this is a company much like Adobe. They're just getting rocked right now, absolutely hammered. It's kind of sad to see, considering their dividend profile is so freaking juicy, right? The payout ratio is 30%. Amos, what does that mean? It means out of their bottom line, their profits, only 30% of it is utilized to fund the dividend. And the best part is the dividend growth rate is 15.4%. I like what I see when it comes to the dividend profile, but what I do not like is the fact that Anthropic and other vibe coding software, they're releasing legal and accounting software that's going to be just as good as Intuit's QuickBooks and TurboTax, which is their bread and butter, a very niche type of software. And I don't want to be a negative Nancy here, but I can't help but think to myself that their business model and their products absolutely disrupted. I think up until now, they had a wide economic moat in that they were the best in class in what they do. But to know that similar products are going to be rolled out at a fraction of the cost, and Anthropic and these other vibe coding software is going to undercut into it. Think about it, right? If you're a small business owner, would you rather pay Intuit's TurboTax $120 to do your taxes, or would you rather pay like $5 or $10, right? I think rolling out initially, I think they're going to charge a very tiny amount as they wait for Intuit to die by 1,000 tiny cuts. Now, I'm just talking out of my butt. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but with Intuit, dude, I'm kind of hesitant. And it's sad to say, because if you take a look at their financials, I mean, their revenue increasing by 17% year over year, their bottom line per share improving by 41% year over year. There's a lot to like about it, but their future is what's more important, right? You don't invest into a stock based on what they did in the past. You invest into a stock for the ROI on what they're going to accomplish in the next 90 days to 365 days, or if you're thinking like Amazon, the next 10 to 100 years down the road. And with Intuit, I just don't have the confidence. I mean, what say you?